Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to respective lecturer. So today I will present on my mini proposal with the title Study on Effectiveness of Allium sativum, also known as garlic, in management of common cold among Faculty of Medicine and Health Science students UPM. So my name is Putri Roshakina binti Megat Ahmad Tarmizi and I'm currently undergraduate of Bachelor Biomedical Science. Our supervisor would be Dr. Suhaili Abu Bakar at Jamaluddin. Next. Alright, so first I will introduce to you the substance that I'm going to use and also the disease or illness that I'm going to explore throughout the proposal. So the substance I'm going to use is Allium sativum, also known as garlic. Garlic is a traditionally used substance that is always used in food preservation and also as alternative medicine for our elderly from our elderly. So it is said to contain adjoint, a derivative of allicin, which is contained in garlic, and this thing has antimicrobial properties that is said to able to reduce or alleviate the common cold symptoms. Alright, so common cold is an illness with sore throat, fever, and also sneezing as the symptoms. And then, according to a study, adult got common cold 2 to 3 times per year, whereas children appear with common cold in 5 to 7 times per year. So common cold is generally, in general practice, it is the most common illness that is observed. Alright, next. So for my proposal, the objectives and hypotheses are: for objectives, to understand the signs and symptoms of common cold and to find alternative treatment for common cold. These are my general objectives. And then for specific objectives, to study the relationship between consumption of garlic supplement and appearance of common cold symptoms. And then for the second one is to observe the effectiveness of garlic supplement against common cold symptoms, and also last but not least to compare the number of days with common cold symptoms between subject that takes which ingest garlic supplement against those who did not. Alright, for hypothesis, from my hypothesis based on previous studies, we expect to see a reduction of common cold symptoms in patients who consume garlic supplements. Whereas the null hypothesis will be there is no relationship between garlic supplement consumption and common cold symptoms. Alright, from based on previous studies, the literature review. So we have a data from previous study. The aspects these are the aspects that I'm going to also try to obtain from my study as well. So the subjects, we are going to see the number of days, the number of subjects that occur with common cold, and then also the number of days if they do get common cold, like the number of days it needed to relieve the symptoms, and also days down with illness. So these are the 3 things that I'm going to focus on. So we expect to see on all these 3 categories, the number of days or the number of subjects down with common cold is lesser compared to the placebo group. Next. As for the methodology, firstly, we will start off by buying garlic supplements from Holland and Barrett. And then a name list is to be obtained from the General Office of Faculty of Medical and Health Sciences UPM. From this name list, we will choose 500 students ID randomly so that everyone has the equal probability to be part of the study. These 500 students will then be interviewed to take into consideration the inclusion and exclusion criteria. So we expect
200 students approximately to be chosen after taking into account the inclusion and exclusion criteria. Random examination is then done again to divide subjects into either intervention or control group. The intervention group will receive garlic supplements of 100 mg per tablet, whereas the control group will receive placebo. They have to take these tablets once daily for 12 weeks. Subjects also need to fill in a diary on their general well-being with ranking from 1 to 5. And then after 12 weeks, the diaries will be collected and analyzed. That's all from me. Thank you.